Today we will study the poem Fire and Ice. The poem has been composed by an American poet, namely Robert Frost. The poem is very small in size, it has only 9 lines. But the poem has a great message for all the humanity, for all the world. The poet tells how the world will come to an end. He tells us that there are two passions strongly found in people. First is desire, the second is hatred. The poet says that it is possible that world will come to an end due to the strong desires found in great or big people. Big people means the people who have strong desire due to the power, due to the money they have. For example, Hitler. Hitler was a great king. He had a strong desire to expand his empire. That's why he attacked on the neighboring countries to extend his empire. Right? In this activity, many people, many soldiers were killed, and thousands of people, lakhs of people were killed. So we can say that if the people are killed day by day, the world will come to an end. So this happened due to the extreme desire of Hitler. So the people say that some people believe that the world will come to an end due to the strong desires of some big people, right? But in the second line he says that ice means hatred. Hatred is also responsible for the destruction of the world. We all know that there are so many people around us who have hatred for one another. One person cannot bear the presence of the other, right? So he says that either he must be killed or he must be disappeared from his face, right? So both the feelings, whether it is desire or whether it is hatred, both are responsible for the destruction of the world. So here the poet told us the feelings of human beings, feelings of a common man. A common man thinks that the world will come to an end due to desires, or the world will come to an end due to hatred. In the next stanza he tells us, but if it is to perish twice, it means if I have given the death 2 times, if I am given 2 lives, so in one life I will feel that desires were responsible for the destruction of the world, and in the second life I will tell you that hatred was also great for the destruction of the world. The poet says, but if it is had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Suffice means sufficient. Ice means hatred. Hatred will also be sufficient. Hatred will also be responsible for the destruction of the world. So here, through this very small poem, the American poet Robert Frost gives us a message that there are 2 feelings, desires and hatred, which are responsible for the destruction of the world. So what should we do? What should we do? We should remove these 2 feelings, these 2 passions from this world. We should stop hating one another. We should stop strong desires. We should not develop strong desires, right? We should develop the desire of progress, but not the desire of killing other people. Okay? So do you understand the meaning of the poem?
Yes.
The poem has total 9 lines. In the first stanza there are 4 lines, and the first line, the third line and the fourth line rhyme together. Rhyme together means इनकी क्या तुकबंदी कैसी है, एक जैसी है. Fire, desire, fire. So 3 lines rhyme together, and in the second stanza we have 5 lines, and here twice, ice and suffice, and hate and great. The two words hate rhymes with great, and twice, ice and suffice also rhyme together. The poem is very small, the language is very simple. Language is very simple. The language of the poem is called poetic diction. पोइम की लैंग्वेज को बोलते हैं पोएटिक डिक्शन. तो पोएटिक डिक्शन इज हियर आल्सो वेरी सिंपल. वन कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन ही रीड्स द पोएम 2 times or 3 times, right? So here in simple words, the poet says that we should not hate, we should not have strong desires in the world, so that the world may be saved, right? Okay.